It is important to know the parts of a microscope and how to use them before you begin a lab. You should learn the parts and know what each one's purpose is. The ocular lens, or eyepiece, is what you look into. Our microscopes have one ocular lens. Microscopes are expensive. They can range in price from around $100 up to thousands of dollars. Be careful when you carry it by putting one hand under the base and one hand around the arm. Being sure to use two hands all the time. The base supports the microscope. The light source on our microscopes is located just above the base. There's a switch on the right side of it that turns it on and adjusts the brightness. The light source has a rechargeable battery, so it's important to plug it in after you use it. You can also use the microscope when it's plugged in. When you rotate the nose piece, be sure to feel it click into place. You will not be able to locate your specimen if it's not properly aligned. To calculate the magnification, multiply the power of the ocular lens by the power of the objective lens. On low power on our microscopes, this would be 10 times 4 equaling magnification of 40 times. As you increase the magnification, it will show more detail of a smaller area of the specimen, reducing the white space around it. The microscopes that we are using have only one adjustment. First, use the lowest power and bring the revolving nose piece close to the specimen. Now you can center the slide and sharpen the image with the adjusting knob. Turn the light on, locate your specimen by looking through the ocular lens, and use the clips to hold your slide in place. Notice which way you must move the slide to center it and leave me a message on Google Classroom that describes how you did this. There are 2 stage clips for holding your slide in place. Once you get it centered and where you want it, put the clips on it and try not to bump it. That's the end of our presentation. Enjoy exploring with your microscope.